Here's the brutal truth. 7 out of 10 emails you send are ignored, but your emails aren't failing because of copy, they're failing because of one simple thing: trust. If you've been sending out emails and barely anyone's opening them, you're not alone. You work hard on those campaigns, right? You write the perfect subject line, you design a slick template, you craft the perfect call to action, and then you hit send. And what happens? Crickets. Here's the hard truth. A new study from NP Digital found that 69% of emails are completely ignored, deleted, forgotten, buried in inboxes that already have hundreds or thousands of unread messages. Now, of the emails that do get some attention, here's how it breaks down. About 12% just get skimmed. Someone glances at it for a few seconds and moves on. 8% get saved for later, and let's be honest, later usually means never. And only 11% actually get action, meaning someone clicks, replies, or buys something from that email. So when you think about it, out of every 10 emails you send, maybe one will get the response you want. That's a pretty sobering thought, but it's also fixable. Now here's what most people get wrong. They blame the wrong thing. They think, oh, my subject line wasn't catchy enough, or maybe I need a shorter email, or longer ones, or to send them on Tuesdays instead of Wednesdays. And sure, those tweaks might help a little, but they won't fix the real issue. The real reason most emails don't get read? Trust. Think about your own inbox for a second. It's chaos, right? Newsletters, promos, alerts, receipts, updates, hundreds of them. But whose emails do you actually open? Now, it's probably not the random brands you don't know. It's the ones you trust, the ones you care about, the ones that consistently give you value. People don't open emails from strangers. They open emails from brands they believe in. And that's the key. If you want more people reading your emails, you can't just focus on writing better emails. You need to build a brand people actually care about before you ever hit send. Now that means showing up in other places first, on social media, on your website, even in person if that's a part of your business. It means delivering value in everything you do, not just when you're trying to sell something. And it means asking yourself one more important question before you hit send. Would I open this if I were my own subscriber? Here's the bottom line. Email marketing isn't just about the email, it's about the relationship behind it. When people trust you, they'll open your emails. When they open your emails, they'll engage. And when they engage, they'll buy, reply, and stick around. So instead of obsessing over the perfect subject line, start obsessing over building trust. That's the real unlock.